Welcome to episode 11 of Urvaram, the Fertile Land. Head wash day. Let me use this creamy, ginger scented, sap like liquid gifted by Mother Nature to shampoo and condition my hair. That's a clue. Have you guessed the plant we are featuring today? Yes, it is the versatile shampoo ginger plant, also known as Zingiber zerumbet, bitter ginger, or pinecone ginger due to its cone shaped inflorescence. Here is Shushma to tell you more.
Meet Zingiber zerumbet, a versatile plant with multiple common names including shampoo ginger, pinecone ginger, bitter ginger, wild ginger, etc. In Kerala, we call it Malayinchi or Katinchi. This perennial herb is clumping and rhizomatous plant and belongs to the family Zingiberaceae. It has reed-like stem formed by tightly packed, overlapping leaf sheath. The green leaves are lance-shaped and are 10 to 20 centimeter long. The flowers appears on separate stalks which are shorter than leaf stalks. The pale yellowish white flowers that poke out a few at a time from conical inflorescence. The small blooms occur from lime green inflorescence which gradually turns into red. The inflorescence produces a clear, aromatic, slimy liquid which is collected by squeezing it. This liquid can be used as natural shampoo and conditioner. The rhizome part is the most valuable part. The rhizomes are used for medical purposes, culinary applications, and cosmetic uses. This plant is propagated using rhizomes. That's just a glimpse into the incredible world of Zingiber zerumbet. Stay curious, keep exploring, and join us for more hidden gems from the plant kingdom. Stay green.
Thank you, Shushma. I think the shampoo ginger is a shy plant as the flower stalks are shorter than the leaf stalks and concealed within the plant. When the three petal flowers fall off, the inflorescence will mature into a bright red color. These are long lasting and perfect to make stunning flower arrangements. That's all for today. Keep growing, keep blooming.